Hello everyone. I'm going to unlock an iPhone from SIM. That means I'm going to unlock this iPhone for those who have iPhones but they can't use any other SIM cards. So this is carrier unlock, SIM unlock, network unlock. Even your iPhone is in blacklisted condition, even it is blacklisted, you can use this iPhone all over the world. The process I'm going to show you right now, even if your iPhone is SIM not supported, this thing is going to work. SIM not valid is going to work. So follow me, and before I start, I really appreciate your support. Like my video, subscribe my channel, give me comments if anybody asks any question, and I'll always answer. And you can send me a private message on YouTube as well, so I always read the private messages. So now we're going to start. As you can see, I have an iPhone. I will explain this thing that, as you can see, I have so many SIM cards here. So as everybody knows that not every SIM card gives phone on contract, so I will use all these SIM cards in front of you just for everybody's peace of mind that this is 100% working method that I'm going to show. So all SIM cards I'm going to try in front of you, so you will see more clearly what exactly going on. Okay, as you can see right now there is no SIM cards. First we're going to try with this blue SIM card, that is Telenor. I want everyone to see so it will be clear understanding. As you can see, I'm using this blue SIM card, that is Telenor, and let's see what's gonna come up. So as you can see, once we put this Telenor SIM card, it comes up, it comes no service. Everyone can see very clearly no service, right? Okay, I take out this SIM card because I want everyone to see that these SIM cards are really not working. It's saying no services. I want to make quick as well for everyone to have better and clear understanding. So then I will show you what exactly you have to do that will really unlocks your iPhone, and you can use any SIM card in your iPhone. Okay, as you can see, a second, yeah, it's fine now, should go. Okay, this one as well, as you can see very clearly, it says no service. Okay, I will take out. I just want everyone to see that I'm not choosing the SIM cards I like, or some people say, oh, it was already unlocked, and that's why I want everyone to see clearly. I can show you EE as well. Okay, SIM card gone here, this is here, this is here, all SIM cards are here. Let me try Libara. As everybody knows, Libara SIM card don't give any contract to any phones, so we're going to try Libara now, if you can see very clear. Okay, you can see no service coming, taking out. When I will apply this process after the, okay, it says update, we will click update for everybody's peace of mind. Let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, we update, still it says no service. We'll take out this because last time so many people write that it was already unlocked or anything. I want you to try Vodafone as well. We tried Telenor as well, so I just want everyone to see that this phone is really unlocked or not. No service, you can see. Okay, no video cut, nothing dodgy going on. Okay, can try play as well. Okay, I'm doing very clear so everyone can see very clearly what exactly going on. There you go. If you can see, it says no service. So remember the SIM cards I show you, it says no service. Once I'm gonna try this method in front of you, this all SIM cards will start working. So as you see clearly, even if you want, we're not gonna try Leica, not now, not later, just for everybody's peace of mind. Okay, So all these SIM cards I try, EE, Vodafone. This is pink one we didn't try. You can try pink one as well. Okay, for everyone to know that this is working or not. There you go. As you can see, it says no service. I take out. So as you see, all the SIM cards are not working. So now the main thing starts. We have to keep this phone without SIM, and we have to write down something inside. First we're going to write down, go to dial button, star 3001 hash 1 2 3 4 5 hash and star, and then we will press. If everybody can see clearly, we can press dial button. We'll come to field test. Okay, it's connecting. It's connected already. Now what we have to do, we have to go to PDF context. Okay, this is PDF context. We go number 3. We have to make sure IPv4 is all 000. As you can see, IPv4 is all zeros. Okay, then we have to go number 1. In number 1 we just have to click on APN 2-3 times. We're going back. Okay, then we're going to GSM cell. We have to go to GSM RR, and then we have to go to GSM DRX use. As you can see, it's not going inside. Okay, we're going to info. As you can see, press CO, state, state. Just you have to follow the same procedure what I'm showing you in this video, and you will see how your phone will work automatically. Okay, now we're going to environment cell, HTTPA. To touch all these things means we are going to activate these things. These things will be activate means this iPhone will be working 100%. Okay, secondary, there is nothing. Carrier info, there is nothing, because this phone is right now locked, even in blacklisted situation. Okay, we're going back now. Okay, now forget about this thing. This is we did already. You just have to do same thing what I did. Now we have to add one code. We're gonna add this code. It should say very clearly successful or complete. That means your iPhone is locked. Then the SIM cards I tried before says no service. They should work normally. Okay, so write down here star 5005 star 7672 star 0 hash. Okay, you can see clearly, and you dial. Okay, was it setting failed, service center address. Okay, one more time, star 5005 star 7672 hash 0, no, star 0 hash, star 0 hash, and dial. Okay, 2 times we try this one. Now dismiss. Okay, now the first SIM we tried before was blue SIM, so we'll try blue SIM again. Okay, phone is here. I want everyone to see very clearly. I'm putting blue SIM card inside. Okay, I didn't change anything, all SIM cards are here. Okay, this is the easy process. You can try and you can unlock your phone easily. Okay, as you see, I put SIM card inside. It says no SIM card for now. Okay, press 000 few times, keep pressing 0. Once you did, as you see on the left side, it takes network. So now you can see clearly this phone is SIM unlock. Okay, okay, now I'm sure everybody wants to see. Let me try all SIM cards. They were not working before, they will work now. Let's try Vodafone this time. Okay, as you can see, I have Vodafone here. I put Vodafone SIM card, and let's see what's happened. And it says 0000. Keep pressing 0 for a few seconds, and you should have automatically network in this phone. Okay, keep pressing 0. Okay, it should come now. Okay, as you see, the network comes just now on the top left corner. So okay, now I will try in front of everyone T-Mobile SIM card. Okay, 1 second. This is I take out SIM card, and now I will try T-Mobile. Very easy method, I did in front of everyone, and this thing is working 100%. As you can see right now on the top left corner, keep pressing 0. Once you're pressing 0, you see T-Mobile come straight away, as you can see very clear. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and if anything, send me private message on YouTube, or you can give me comment. Thank you. Take care.